Oh, you got it? You got it? Oh, nice. Welcome back to Big Song Hobbies. Today we're out here on a Tuesday night on a local creek trail run.
What do you have in that?
That's 2S?
Enjoy.
Where's your car, Amrit? That one?
Enduro.
That's an Enduro.
Yeah?
Look at that. All modded.
Just got rid of all the plastic parts.
Yeah.
Got carried away on email one night.
Oh, yeah. You gotta give, I want to see how long I could break these plastic servos. And it's just a one-day thing? Yeah.
Well, people are camping, but I heard the camping sites are all
All done.
gone. Yeah.
That's this weekend, huh?
Yep.
Stability.
All right, Nathan, show us.
Stock plastic servos. Hasn't broken yet, Neil. I'm very surprised.
The plastic servo is okay.
The plastic servo, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, the associated is
it's
better.
not too bad. It's the Penhard mount.
My wife asked, I blame you.
Oh, nice.
Why? Our next project's gonna be putting photos on this thing.
Yeah, definitely like.
Oh, you got it? You got it? Oh, nice. Yeah, keep your wheel to the far left. Yep, almost there. Use the wall. Yep.
Like 20 pounds.
Defend.
Right there.
Okay.
Oh!
It's not even close.
I think we got it.
Yeah, I can hook that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yep.
hook the right.
The right tire. Yep.
Hook it.
For bed.
I know, huh?
Kind of how I ended up.
Go ahead, Amrit. Don't mind me.
Right there.
I'm more worried that when I connect, I'll hit you.
I'm gonna land on you.
You're gonna be his cushion.
It's only like 12 pounds.
Where is Ant? His car is.
Oh,
My
it
car
keeps
is
going to
pushing
the
his
left.
car.
Yeah. That's interesting.
Where was he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Down there?
Why's he going to the left?
I saw he got the Defender today.
Alright, I'm just gonna gun it. Not even moving.
Oh.
Does anybody have any brass I can buy right now?
I have some beans.
Brass.
Yeah.
Brass.
Alright, here we go. Brass. Hook the right.
Look, now that's what you're doing.
Yeah. That's what friends are for. Oh, I see a line here.
Yeah, there's a line over this side.
What about straight?
See, I told you on the chat, the driver remains the same. Hey, Kevin. Hey, what's up, man?
Almost. Go up a little bit more. About there. Just guess. Yeah.
Francis, barely warm. Barely warm. The fusion.
Really?
Yeah.
There it goes. Got it.
It's the Defender weight. True.
Hungry servo.
Ooh, the Mytric
Yeah, he needs a little bit of weight in the front.
Of the battery's balance port. Is there any weight on it?
I don't know. No load on the.
They wrap those wheels with some weight. Stick a couple in there. Stick like 4 of them in there. Come on. 4 or 6 of them. Keep the front end down. I just do the front ones too. Yeah, that's what I can do. Yeah, just put some of those motorcycle weights.
All right, show us what we can do. Come, yeah, right there, coming. Yep, right there, yeah.
Stock wheel thing? It's a little longer than stock. Yeah, it looks really long. Like half an inch.
Go up a little bit more. A little bit more. Right about there. Come down a little bit. Yeah, right there. That's when where you want to guess it. Perfect. Oh. So when you hit the top and over the crest, that's when you let go. Yeah, because you want the front wheel to settle down. Oh yeah, yeah. Yay, made it. There it goes. Nice, G-Mate's turn. Come on.
Not so confident. These tires are like 10 years old. So I need to, what do I need to do?
But right there. Come down a little bit. Right there. That's where you guess. Made it easy. Wow. Oh, got it. Pull. There it goes. All right.